So now we are going to learn about greetings in Shona. There are different forms of addressing people depending on the familiarity of the relationship and the relative ages in Shona. So the relationship, age, and familiarity will depend on the greeting you are going to use. Friends can be addressed casually, whilst elders, regardless of how old you are addressed with respect or in the more formal way. As such, the pronouns for you and he or she change depending on how senior the person is. This is so important if you want to learn how to greet someone in the Shona language. Okay, let's go to the formal greetings. Let's start with the formal greetings in Shona. Points to remember. Don't forget to break the word into syllables to make it easier to read. Remember from what I said in lesson 1, Shona is a tonal language. Shona is a tonal language, so it's easier for you to learn how to read and pronounce Shona words by breaking them down into syllables. Shamwari means friend. Shamwari. So you break it down into syllables. Shamwari. Shamwari. Okay, let's go to the first formal way to greet someone in Shona. Moro. Moro. Moro means hello. This is a common and formal way of greeting someone. Moro. Moro can be used to a friend or a stranger. You can use it to a friend or a stranger. Okay. The next formal way of greeting someone in Shona is makadini. 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 Makadini means how are you? This is a respectful way of greeting someone and is usually done to older people. Good example, if I'm greeting my mother, my grandmother, my grandfather, I say, Makadini, how are you? It's a formal way of greeting someone you respect. Okay, let's go to the third way of greeting people. Wakadini. Wakadini. Wakadini means how are you? Same with makadini, but this is a respectful way of greeting someone and is usually done to younger people. If I'm greeting my nephew or my niece, I ask them, Wakadini, how are you? But if I'm addressing someone that's older than me, then it's Makadini. So, Makadini for someone you respect that's older than you, and Wakadini for someone that's younger than you. Okay, good job. Now let's go to the informal ways of greeting someone. We've got Hesi. Hesi. Hesi means hi. This is mostly used by younger ages as a way to greet each other. Hesi. Hesi Shamwari. Hi friend. We've got Deipi. Deipi. Deipi Shamwari. Deipi means what's up. Deipi. What's up? This is an informal way to greet someone and it's mostly used by the younger ages. So if I'm talking to my friend, go to them and say, Deipi Shamwari. What's up, my friend? Or Hesi Shamwari. Hi, my friend. Okay, so now we are going to practice pronouncing words and using them in a sentence. Moro, moro shamwari. Hello friend, moro shamwari. Hello friend. Makadini mama. How are you mother? Makadini mama. How are you mother? Wakadini shamwari. Wakadini shamwari. How are you, my friend? Yesi shamwari. Hi friend. Hi friend. Ndeipi shamwari. Ndeipi shamwari. What's up, my friend? Different greetings on time of the day. In the morning, we've got mangwa nani. Mangwa nani. Mangwa nani. Good morning. Good morning. Good. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. We've got masikati. 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 Good afternoon. And then good evening. Good evening. Maneru. Don't forget the breathy consonants. You need to sigh just a little to pronounce it correctly. Maneru. Maneru means good evening. Okay, so now we are going to learn how to use words in a sentence. We are going to learn how to use the words we've learned in a sentence. Mangwanani mama. Good morning, mother. Good morning, mother. Mangwanani mama. Masikati baba. Masikati baba. Good afternoon, father. Maneru shamwari. Maneru shamwari. Good evening, friend. So it's activity time. We are going to play an activity. So in this activity, you are going to write down these greetings. You are going to write down these greetings. We've got moro, hesi, ndeipi, mangwanani, masikati, maneru, makadini, wakadini. Okay, so the name of this activity is Newsroom Headshots. Newsroom Headshots. Materials needed, paper and pen. Preparation. You are going to return to the previous slide. Pause the video. Write down the greetings for reference. For more of a challenge, ignore the step. If you want to make it a little bit challenging, you ignore the step so you don't go to the previous slide. Instructions. Pictures of different people will appear on the screen. Practice greeting to the person pictured. Practice greeting to the person pictured. Don't forget to greet according to their age. This is so important. In Shona, you greet people based upon their age. For the purpose of the activity, the answers will be given. The answers given will be from the perspective of a 20 to 30-year-old. However, feel free to respond according to your age. Okay, are you ready to play Newsroom Headshots? Let's do it. Ndeipi. 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 What's up? Hesi. Hesi. Hi. Makadini. Makadini. How are you? Wakadini. Wakadini. How are you? Makadini. Makadini. How are you? Good job. Well done. Okay, we've come to the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching Zimerica tutorials. For the next lesson and more lessons, please go to www.earnesttutorials.co.za/courses/ Thank you so much and goodbye, Maitabasa. Thank you.